Hi, what class do you have next?
Hi there. It's English with Ms. Johnson for me.
Do you like that class?
Yeah, she's a great teacher.
What are you most interested in learning about in English this year?
Probably creative writing.
Cool. Are you good at writing stories?
I think so. I enjoy it a lot.
Do you have any extracurricular activities after school?
Yes, I'm on the debate team.
Wow, that's impressive. Do you enjoy debating?
Absolutely. It's a great way to develop your arguments.
What are your plans for the weekend?
Relaxing mostly, maybe catching a movie with some friends.
Sounds like a good plan. Do you like watching movies alone or with others?
I enjoy both, but there's something special about sharing a good movie experience with friends.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have a younger brother.
What's it like having a younger sibling?
It can be challenging sometimes, but it's also a lot of fun.
This coffee shop looks nice. Would you like to try it?
Sure, it looks cozy.
What kind of coffee do you usually get? I like a latte with oat milk. Do you come here often to study?
Occasionally, it's a nice change of scenery from the library.
What are you studying today?
I'm working on a biology project about cell division.
Sounds interesting. Do you enjoy biology?
Yes, I find it fascinating how the body works.
What kind of music do you listen to?
I like a variety of music, but lately I've been into indie rock.
Do you play any instruments?
No, not really, but I wish I did.
What instrument would you like to learn if you could?
Probably the guitar. It seems like a versatile instrument.
Is this seat taken?
No, go ahead and sit.
Beautiful weather today, isn't it?
Absolutely, perfect for a walk in the park.
Do you come here often to relax?
Sometimes, it's a nice place to escape the hustle and bustle of the city.
What do you like to do to relax besides coming to the park?
I enjoy reading, listening to music, and spending time with friends.
That sounds like a good way to unwind. Do you have any recommendations for a good book to read?
Sure, I just finished a great novel about a group of friends on a road trip.
That sounds interesting. Thanks for the suggestion. Do you like to travel?
Yes, I love exploring new places and cultures.
What's your favorite place you've ever visited?
Probably Italy. The food and the scenery were amazing.
Italy sounds lovely. Do you speak any other languages besides English?
Yes, I'm learning Spanish.
Hey, that history project looked amazing.
Thanks. I spent a lot of time on it.
Do you prefer working on group projects or individual ones?
I like both for different reasons. Group projects can be fun, but individual projects allow for more creative freedom.
What are you most looking forward to learning in science this semester?
Probably the unit on space exploration. It's always fascinated me.
Do you have any plans for spring break?
Thinking of going on a volunteer trip to help build houses for a community in need.
Wow, that's very kind of you.
I believe in giving back whenever possible.
Do you play any sports?
Yes, I'm on the volleyball team.
That's cool. Do you prefer playing sports competitively or for fun?
I enjoy both, but there's a special kind of energy in competitive games.
What's your favorite book you've read for English class so far?
I really liked To Kill a Mockingbird. It made me think a lot about prejudice.
Do you have a favorite author?
Yes, I love the works of Jane Austen. Her characters are so witty and relatable.
What are you passionate about outside of school?
I'm really interested in environmental issues and sustainability.
Wow, this bookstore is huge. Do you have a favorite section?
Absolutely, the travel section is my go-to for inspiration for future trips.
What kind of places do you dream of traveling to?
I'd love to see the northern lights in Iceland someday.
Is there anything you'd like to collect on your travels? Maybe postcards from different places. It's a nice way to remember the experiences. Hey, isn't that the new exhibit everyone's been talking about?
It is. I've been wanting to see it. Would you like to check it out?
Sure, sounds interesting. Do you prefer visiting art museums or science museums?
I enjoy both, but art museums allow me to connect with creativity in a different way.
This cafe has a great view.
Absolutely, perfect for people watching with a cup of coffee.
Do you prefer to sit by the window or in a quieter corner when you're at a cafe?
It depends on my mood. Sometimes I enjoy the buzz, other times, I prefer a more peaceful atmosphere.
What's your favorite way to spend a rainy afternoon?
Curling up with a good book and a cup of tea sounds perfect.
Do you prefer reading physical books or ebooks?
I like both for different reasons. Physical books have a special feel, while ebooks are convenient for travel.
Do you have any message for our viewers?
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this.